could not possibly fit any more woofers in here. Look at this, you guys. How many is in there, Vlad? 20? Holy crap. It doesn't move at all. Look at this extreme vehicle. These threads right here, these are sticking out because the port can come in and out, so it can adjust this opening for the best possible SPL number so it can get louder and louder. Take a look at this, guys. This is what an extreme vehicle means. You've got every single thing reinforced with steel, wood, more steel, deadener, and a totally false dashboard that is thicker than most houses. This is just a very extreme vehicle. Let me go ahead and get a little closer in there, guys. You remember these subs on my YouTube channel? We did a full video on them, but I did not ever expect to see this many in one vehicle. Holy crap! Tell me what you think of this, guys. Slap a big thumbs up for extreme car audio.
What I got on the back, only 80 amperes lithium titanium.
Very cool. And these are all 11K amplifiers.
Yeah.
Woo! And there's another one tucked in. Oh no, that's a mids and highs amp right there.
For the speakers.
All right, but still, look at that. All right, we are finally back. He finished topping off his voltage. He needed to charge his batteries because there's a lot of stuff in here that needs a powering. Sometimes though, sitting in these extreme vehicles, you never really know what to expect.
Hey,
because they get so
we know
loud.
what it hit on the meter, so you need to tell us what you think it hit.
What is it hitting on the meter?
It hit a 164.2 at 39 hertz.
A 164.2 at 39. That's below
on the glass.
40 hertz below it. So that's impressive. And that is sealed up on the dash right here, which is technically a little harder than getting it in the kick panel. So that's also saying something.
And you're on a nice fresh charge right now, so
There's Jagaki over there.
should get a couple extra tenths out of it.
Change your heart. It will astound you.
Check the excursion. Did you guys notice how when I showed the camera back there, the subs are only moving like this much? Yes. Once you get that battery power up there, you'll be able to give it even more. Pretty amazing though, all that power from just an 80 amp hour bank. Well, I guess that's where C rating really becomes important, huh? Because these fancy looking Yinlongs are good for about 10 C discharge. So with an 80 amp hour bank, you're looking at 800 amps of sheer happiness. If you want to learn more about switching to lithium like our buddy Ivan here, be sure to check out ShowtimeElectronics.com for all kinds of cool stuff. Excess power, Deaf Bonce, Yinlong. If you need it, Showtime just may have it. Now let's get back to the bass and see if you guys can notice what's happening next. Pay super close attention and see if you notice what's going on. Famous Vladimir!
We got here 12 dB 4s 15s on 855Ks. It took about 6 months to build. It was built in Russia. It was for order bandpass for whole kind of competitions, and it's drivable, you know. Bunch of meets, it's about 64 meets, about 24 tweeters, 2 25Ks on the meets.
2 25Ks?
Not 2, 4.
4 25Ks?
4. And we have also DJ turntables as
I noticed
well.
that, it's a whole DJ setup.
Yeah. You can pull that thing off and DJ can stay behind the thing.
Very cool. What's it tuned to?
It's playing pretty flat from 28 to 35 hertz. It does 62 on the glass, door shut down, but we can do any demos with the door shut because it's already cracked.
I love that track. Super balanced and nice and deep sounding. But did you guys see what I saw? Holy crap. Talk about some hellacious dance move, getting them 100-pound subs vibrating like crazy. I was trying to point it out to Vlad, but by the time we turned the music down and went to go shake the subs by hand, they weren't moving at all. There you go, Vlad, get right in there.
doesn't move at all.
So that is a huge testament to the amount of force that's being generated just by a bunch of paper cones. Can you guys believe that? Bass is something else. Still though, a wicked awesome demo, and the craftsmanship, the sheer craftsmanship is out of this world. Every nook and cranny, there's a detail to be seen, so I really love the Russian car audio guys. Deaf Bonce always doing great stuff, and we got tons of it over at Showtime. A huge stock just got shipped in, so be sure to check out Showtime for all your Deaf Bonce needs. They are getting louder and louder by the season. But before we go, we have got some amazing news for you guys, because our ultra capacitor video did so dang well from a few weeks ago. We ended up giving away on YouTube. You guys really enjoyed the little bit of information. But because Showtime was so dang happy, we are doing a special bundle package with an XP3000 AGM in tandem with the UC31, which did so well in the testing that we did on YouTube. Links in the description. So if you guys want to get in on this madness, it's only $650 for a limited time with both of these included. You can't beat that, guys. Always trying to save you some extra cash here on the channel, and these batteries do really well. You can mount them pretty much in any position. So at the end of the day, it should be a great choice for you guys getting your feet wet with some battery juice and some capacitors. So in the meantime, be sure to check out Showtime Electronics for all your car audio needs, and thanks for supporting the channel, because all this is directly connected to each other and you guys' participation and viewership. Thank you so much for being here. I'll talk to you in the next one.